Hi vinyl lovers, today we have a thrift video, a thrift haul video. So I'm going to show you guys what I found at the thrift stores locally, just here in town. First of all, I'll just show you these. I found these at Goodwill up here locally. I'll show you just one of them. They're newer, but oh my gosh, they're absolutely adorable. And I only gave I think it was $1.30 or maybe it was $2 and something for each one of them. They are Johnson Brothers, but the reason you know that they're newer is because it says dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe. So I don't know exactly when they came out. It just says England, 1883, earthenware, Johnson Brothers. Aren't they gorgeous? They're that red transfer. I think it's pretty. So anyway, I got two of those and they're in excellent condition. Can definitely sell those for more than what I gave for them, if I sell them. Actually, I got those cups last night at Goodwill. Me and Pat went, and and Pat found this. He found a Ray Dunn. It was $2.85, $2.86, and it says fall y'all. It's got a leaf on the other side of it, so we'll just hold this until fall, and then I'll sell it around fall. You should do well. I still do well selling Ray Dunn. It still sells for me. And the Pioneer Woman sells really good for me. I have collectors that come in and buy just that stuff. Okay, I'm going to show you some other stuff that I got at the thrift store. I gave like 50 cents for this, and just because I was intrigued, it's like, I think what we figured out was it's a magic trick. Because if you see, there's a little handle here, and it moves. Can you see that? See how it moves this whole little section over from one side? Oh, I locked it. Oh, you push it in and then turn it. See that little thing moving? So it's like magic, so it looks like there it is. And then they can like flip it. And it's like, then they show you, it's like, oh, it's gone. And there's like a little zipper on the bottom. So I'm thinking that maybe, they keep it like this, and then one side of it is open. See, one side of it's open, one side of it's closed. But then if you push it that way, the whole thing is opened up. It's magic. Yeah, I don't know, 50 cents. It's pretty gaudy looking, but I thought it was kind of cute because, it's a cool magic trick, And another 50-cent purchase was a marker. Just because I like things that make noise. It's on Pat's nerves. Oh well. And for a quarter, I got this cool jar. I don't remember what came in this jar. What was it that came in this jar? I'm trying to think. It wasn't mustard. I don't know. Anyway, I like the way has that Art Deco look on the sides of it, and I'll find a lid for it. Like another 50-cent purchase was just this little ladder. And they're just cute to, put them up against a planter or something and, put a fake vine on them or use them for Christmas and put them up against your Christmas tree and put a Santa or something on them. I just think they look cute. You can't go wrong with a little wooden ladder. This is punch tin. This is the good stuff. It's so pretty. It's just like a little shelf that you hang up. It's got the punched design on it. It's like, I don't know, like a basket with flowers or something. Not really sure, but I just think it's adorable. I think I'm gonna give $1 for this. $1 or $2, not much. And then for like a quarter piece, I got these frames. I'm gonna try to see if these frames will sell online. I hear that they are back. This one's probably from the 80s. It's got a brand name on it. I think it's called Intercraft, but look at the wood. Look at the two-toned wood, inlay wood. Isn't that gorgeous? You can tell by her clothes it's like 80s. I think that's 80s. Looks like 80s. And this one, I also got, ooh, the bottom's kind of loose on it. It's says handcrafted Fitco in Thailand. And it's got the little hanger thing, but it's wood also. Pretty wood. So I'm gonna put these online and see how they sell in my Etsy shop. Because people are back into putting family photos and stuff out and about and hanging them on the wall and whatever, and they look cool. So we'll see how they go. If they don't sell well, I won't buy any more and I won't sell them. But I do have, sorry about the noise, I have a street cleaner going down the road now. But I also have some like really fancy wooden frames that I'm going to get ready to put online. I'm not sure if I'll put those on eBay, maybe on eBay. But they're highly decorative. They're wooden, but they have like the gold, like what do you call it, like gold gild or whatever painting on them. And they're just absolutely gorgeous. I just need to find the right boxes for them, and then I'm gonna get them listed. Okay, what else did I get? Okay, I got this lamp. It's gonna be harder to see. Get back further. This old vintage lamp, look at the bottom of it. It's glass. Okay, breaking, ooh, hit the ceiling. But can you see the bottom? Isn't that beautiful? And it says USA on it, and something else on it. It's got like a horseshoe, something like that. And it says Dietz, D-I-E-T-Z. They're the ones that make the old lanterns, you know, the old red and glass lanterns that you carried around, the metal ones. These are the kind of lanterns I'm talking about. This company's been around since like 1840. Say, man, that is hard to read. I think it says New York. Vista, V-E-S-T-A. I think it's the same people that make the lanterns. I don't know, but I can't show this to you. But I haven't plugged it in yet to see if it works. The cord looks okay, just really dirty. And the same thing with the lampshade, it's pretty dirty. So I'll probably replace it too. But I'll take this off and show you. You can see it's really old and really dirty. All this stuff has got to be really cleaned. I thought about it for a second. I thought maybe I ought to do this tomorrow because all this stuff is really dirty and I want to clean it up before I drag it all through my house. But I decided I would show it to you guys because actually tomorrow I'm probably going to work on editing the bins video. Oh my gosh, you guys, the bins video is great. We got so much stuff, so much cool stuff. I just can't wait for you guys to see the bins video. It's spectacular. Okay, another thing that I got that's absolutely so filthy that it really did some thinking about bringing this nasty thing in the house. Look how dirty this thing is, but it's really heavy metal and it's to hang like your pot and pans and stuff on. And I know it will sell well for me, but I gotta scrub this baby up because it's so gross. Yucky, yucky, yucky. Oh man, I can't believe somebody never cleaned that thing. You can still see the clean spots where items were sitting there, like maybe their canister set or something, and just let the filth grow up, just pile up on it with grease and dirt and one word, spring cleaning. Okay, I also got this. I wish it hadn't been painted brown. I wish it would have stayed the wood color. It is a shelf with the heart, and I grab these up when I can, and I got an excellent buy on this. I think it was like $2 or $3, $2. I'm probably going to take some milk paint to it, do some chippy paint on it. I don't know, I haven't decided, or should I just paint the whole thing white and distress it? I don't know. But this heart stuff is back and is selling really good for me. And shelves, wooden shelves are just selling immaculate for me right now. They are an extremely hot item. Everybody wants these. Everybody wants to put, you know, vintage pictures or plates or whatever and hang baskets on them. I mean, these things are huge right now. So I got to start putting a better price on them. I think I was selling mine too cheap and they were going very quickly. So I need them to stick around a little bit longer than that so that I can put stuff on them and display them in my booth, but also sell them and make a decent price off of them after I have to clean them and paint them and distress them and pack them and load them, and got to make it worth my time. Okay, so there's that one. And then I got this. I love this. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm going to sell this locally and not online, of course, because it's bigger. But look at this old shelf. Look at, is this upside down? Oh, I may have this upside down. Is that right? Yeah. Yeah, I do. Okay. It's supposed to have, no, that's not right because there's the little hangers. So I think it originally had, of course, a drawer down here. Oof. I might actually turn it around myself. I don't know. I don't know. I gotta think about this. This thing is gorgeous, but I think there was a drawer right here, but this is metal. And it's really pretty. It's actually, I think it's brass because it's turning green, which is usually a sign of brass. There was something here on the top that is now gone. You know, it has some wear and stuff, but man, I'm telling you what, I think I'm just gonna clean it and polish it, leave it this pretty dark color. I don't even know how much of the green I want to take off of here. Would you take the patina off of it, or would you just leave it? I mean, I can polish it up and be all shiny brass, but I don't know. That might be cool and it may not, but it's going to take some major cleaning, and I do wish I had the drawer that was down here. That would have been super, super cool. But either way, I didn't see any kind of manufacturing name or anything on it, but it is so super cool and so super old, and I love it. And it had $15 on it, but I got it for 10. Yay me. I thrifted up that I know a lot of the people that run the thrift stores, and they know I buy stuff and lots of stuff, so sometimes I get a deal, and that's cool. I like deals. Okay, and then another thing I got was this dresser. I got this dresser for like $15. It's just chest of drawers. I'll show you guys a picture of it, but it was extremely heavy. I don't really have the time to paint it. I probably should have kept it, but I didn't, and I let a friend have it. And she's going to restore it, and she's going to sell it because she resells furniture. That's mainly her thing. I almost forgot. I got this little frame too for like $1. I just thought it was really cool. It doesn't have a glass front. Oh, I just flew it out. Anyway, it has this little plastic cover that goes over it, so you just put the picture in here. There was like a weird picture in it. I took it out. It's like a kid picture or something. If I can figure out how to put it back in there right. I think I might have put it in upside down. Did I put it in upside down? Man, I just popped it out a while ago, like go flying across the room. Now I can't get it back out. Okay. Okay. It does go this way. Just got to push it all the way in. Okay. So then it's put in, and there's a little thing down there that you can just pop it out. Like that, see? Ooh, fly across the room. But it's just plastic. The whole thing is a plastic. But I think it's really cute. It'd be cute to put, like, I don't know, a rabbit in it. A rabbit picture. Let's put a rabbit picture in it for Easter. That'll be so super cute. I wanted to show you real quickly my bunnies over here in front of the fireplace. I don't know if you guys remember, me and Pat got these out of the bins. I found one and Pat found the other, and one of them's arm was broken and the other one, the leg was broken, and I repaired them, and they are super cool. I think one of them's ear was messed up too, but I absolutely love them so much. Look at these. Look at how good they look now. Don't they look excellent? I love them. So they're staying in our house, and with Easter approaching very quickly, they're getting their spot in the living room in front of the fireplace. And then I got this at home store. It's a bunny! Super cute. I put it in front of the fireplace too. So it goes with my other bunnies. Looks super cool. It wasn't a giant haul today, but hey, some days I get something every day. Other times I find nothing. Mostly I find something, but not always. So I just wanted to share this little short haul with you guys and see what you think about it. If you want me to keep doing this, I would love to show you guys my hauls because I have a lot of fun. And I mean, I'll bring you in my living room and show you my haul any old time you want to come. So until the next video, which will probably be the bins, but until the next haul video or thrifting, we might combine them. I might actually show you, me doing the thrifting and then show you the haul at the end if there's not a whole lot of stuff like this, because it'll be a shorter video and that'll kind of lengthen it out a little bit. But anyway, we're going to do more haul videos that I will be doing while Pat's at work. I did have lunch with Pat today, but anyway. So anyway, I'm rattling on. If you guys like the haul video, let me know and I will do more of them. So until the next video, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next. Okay, I'm done showing you stuff. I'll leave you alone now.